Hello everybody, this is Pigam Butayaro back with another vlog, and in this video I will be unpackaging Ami's package. Well, let's begin. As you guys can see, the box came with a perfect condition. Now Ami is well famous for their box condition, so I was very impressed. Now after checking my box and my address and everything, I decided to open the box and this was inside. Now whoever's waifu this is, please take her to your home. Damn guys, this is what I have purchased and I have no regrets buying them because I have, spent like 3 hours deciding whether I should or should not get these. As you guys can see, I bought 3 Makinohara keychains and I bought a box of acrylic display and I bought another box of keychains. Now let's get right into the unboxing. This is how the inside looked like. Now first, starting off with Makinohara keychain. Now these originally costs about 800 yen each, but I got them for 300 yen each, which is very nice. So altogether, I spent 900 yen buying those Makinohara Shoko keychains, and I was very satisfied. As you can see, 2 thumbs up. And I have spent 1,960 and 1,920 yen each for the boxes, and they're just awesome for their price. And right now I'm reviewing the Makinohara Shoko keychain. As you can see, it's in a pretty package, but the downside of this product is Makinohara's face is kinda blurry. Her nose and mouth is kinda hard to see, as you can see. I wasn't that satisfied, and compared with my AirPods, it's fairly large, not that small, so yeah, the size was pretty nice. Now, yeah, let's open our acrylic stand box. Now this consists of 8 pieces. Each has all the main characters and an additional Makinohara Shoko stand. That's why I bought it, because I love Makinohara Shoko. And again, the overall packaging was amazing. Now let's see who this is. Ba-bam, ba-bam, bam. Wow. You know what? I mean, the one thing that I don't really like about this stand is that, Azusagawa, he's not that happy. I want him to be smiling, but I guess that's not the point. And because I cannot read Japanese characters, I don't really know what that means. Now let's put aside. I'm sorry about the lightning. I'm sorry about you really can't see him on my desk. Now let's open these packaging. And again, these packages are really nice. And I haven't mentioned that the acrylic stand itself is covered with another layer of plastic, which prevents it from scratches, which is a very nice detail that I liked about this. Let's see who this is. I literally have no idea who this is, no joke. Babam. Oh, it's Toga Komoe. She's one of the tsundere character in Seishun Butayaro, and I really liked her because, well, when Azusagawa Sakuta falls into a very, very dangerous situation, or we call that jeopardy, she saved Azusagawa Sakuta, which is very nice. Let's open these packages, and again, these packages were very nice, but it was kind of hard to get them off because they were kind of sticky. Let's see what this is. Flip that over. Nice. Flip that. Oh, it's Ryo Futaba. Ryo Futaba is, well, she's a very smart character. She masters in physics, and she helps out Azusagawa Sakuta out by explaining all these supernatural phenomena. Now let's open the another package. Ba-bam. Oh man, these. Oh, this is Nodoka. I forgot her surname, but yeah, that's Nodoka. Mai Sakurajima's sister. Well, it's her sister from another father, so that's kind of different. I mean, another mother, so they share the same father. Now let's just move on to the next stand, and this stand is Kaede. But the thing that I don't really like about this is, Kaede is not smiling. I want to see her smile. She's smiling with that cute panda clothing, what they wear when she sleeps. But I guess it's still a very pretty keychain. I mean, not a keychain, but an actual stand. So yeah, let's put that down feeling, the blue feeling aside, and let's move on to the next stand. This stand is my favorite. You can see how exciting I am by shaking my hands and bumping my fist, doing whatever I am doing. The Makinohara Shoko, yeah, heart sign. It's definitely my favorite character or heroine in Seishun Butayaro, or you know, Doesn't Dream About Bunny Girl Senpai. I kind of forgot what its name is in English. Let's move on to our, oh man, you see how happy I am, oh bust a nut baby. Now this is grown up version of Makino Arashoku. I believe this is her version when she's an adult. Wait, well, I'm not quite sure. I mean, she's not the lowly version, so I think it's legal. That's all that matters, guys. Let's move on to our last product, and of course, we don't see my Sakurajima, so it's gonna be my Sakurajima. And yeah, let's go, right into her stand. Now, this is my Sakurajima, the main heroine, Azusagawa's girlfriend and future wife. And this actual stand is amazing. I liked how she was smiling compared to, Toga Tomoe or Kaede Azusagawa. They're having a pretty gloomy faces, but then Sakurajima Mai is smiling, and I really liked her face, her complexion. And yeah, I didn't really like the other ones, including Azusagawa Sakuta. I wanted him to smile and spread all that positive vibe, but I was kind of depressed not to see that. But yeah, these Arco stands were very, very impressive in the end. Their details were amazing, their build quality was amazing, the way they were packaged was amazing, and yeah, everything about that was amazing. And one more thing, well, these ones are in discount right now on AmiAmi. I'm not promoting AmiAmi, but looking at these products, they are really high quality, and I really want you guys to buy them if you're a die-hard Seishun Butayaro fan like me. Now, they originally cost about 5,000 something yen, but now they're only about 2,000 yen, so just buy them right away, guys. You guys will regret it if you guys won't buy these. Now let's move on to our next products. Alright, now what we have here is a box full of actual keychain. Now this is called the keychain set, Seishun Butayaro. And let's open this up. This is, by the way, it only consists of 7 pieces, which, accounts for all the main heroines and heroes. Which means that compared to the previous box, it doesn't contain an additional Shoku set, so that's kind of depressing, but that's all. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. Kaede with that panda suit, that is what we wanted. Now, yo, if you're a Kaede fan like me, you have to buy this product. Y'all better buy this product. And as I said before, similar with the other one, this one is also on discount, so buy this right away. Oh man, the colors are insane, guys. This color, whoever designed this is a fucking genius, guys. You have to buy this. Mai Sakurajima, her smile is also amazing, so you guys should better buy this. Now let's move on to our next package. Next small package. I believe this is gonna be, oh man, this is the lolly version of Shoko. I can see her by the back. Oh man, bro, this is amazing, guys. This is fucking amazing. The colors and all the artistic vibe, it's amazing, guys. You have to get this. I don't know how many times I'm emphasizing the fact that you should buy this. Now let's move on to the other one. Now this time I was really happy because all of the previous 3 sets were amazing. And Nodoka, oh god, she does look a lot prettier than the animation version. So wow, the green on her looks perfect. The yellow hair matches perfectly with the green background, and y'all, this is one of the best illustrations / design of Nodoka that I've ever seen before. Let's open the next one, which is, oh man, Sakuta. I do believe remembering this scene from the animation itself, but wow, Sakuta also is very nice in this package. Very nice. I like her colors. I like his colors and everything. The size of the keychain is also very impressive because it's not that small. And Rio is my best friend's favorite character, and she, as I said before, is the smart kudere character in this animation, and she's amazing. She's amazing. Now her color, she matches really well with the red color, so if you're a Rio Futaba fan, you should pretty much get this package. Let's move on to the other package, the last package in the box. Yep, and considering I should be having Toga Kumoe, right? Now this is wow, but she looks really nice in this acrylic design. Wow, this is amazing. This keychain I do not regret, 0% regret. The stand, I regret it, you know, like 2% regret and 98% satisfaction. But this one, this keychain, 100% satisfaction, and over that 1000% satisfaction. So y'all should better get this. Now, this is an overview of what I've got, you know, the stands, and these are the keychains. Y'all better get this. Now thank you again for watching my video, and if you liked it, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave something in the comment below. I was very happy to see someone leaving a comment below. Thank you very much. Now see you guys next time. Bye.